This is number 7 from your 9-5 practice homework. So we have an equation and our goal is to solve this using completing the square. So what we need to do is rewrite this so that the left side of my equation can be rewritten as a perfect square. So remember, to do that, we're going to say z squared minus 19z plus something equals 66 plus that same something. Because remember, if you add something to one side of an equation, you have to add the same thing to the other side to keep it equal. So what is that something? Well, it's going to be the value of b divided by 2 squared. So negative 19 divided by 2 is going to be a negative 9.5. And then we want to square that. So that gives us a value of 90.25. And it's all right that we have decimals. They will happen sometimes. So in this case, we'll write in 90.25, 90.25. So writing that 90.25 inside of the square actually created a perfect square trinomial on that left side. So that can be rewritten as z plus whatever value we initially squared to get that number inside of the box. So in this case, it's going to be z minus 9.5, that entire quantity squared. If you were to go through and multiply that back out, it would give you this same expression that we have right here. And then that's going to equal 66 plus 90.25, which is 156.25. Again, decimals are all right. So now that we have something squared equals a number, we can use the square root method to find the value of z. So if we take the square root of both sides, on the left side we're just left with z minus 9.5. And then on the right side, we're going to have a positive or negative square root of 156.25. And if you were to type that into a calculator, you would see that that value is actually 12.5. Remember, anytime we take the square root of a number, we do need that plus or minus to get both of those answers. So now we still want that z by itself, so we have to add 9.5 to both sides. So I can write my answer as z equals 9.5 plus or minus 12.5. Now, since it's plus or minus, that actually yields two different solutions. We're going to have z equals 9.5 plus 12.5, which gives us a positive 22, or we have z equals 9.5 minus 12.5, which gives us a negative 3. So the two solutions to this quadratic equation are z equals 22 or z equals negative 3.